just hours ago, a Missouri judge ruled a new state law banning gender-affirming care for minors can take effect as soon as Monday.
Our Missouri Capitol Bureau Chief Emily Manley is live in Jefferson City to explain the decision made by a St. Louis Circuit judge. Emily?
Well, Mike, this ruling means that starting Monday, doctors will be prohibited from prescribing puberty blockers and hormone treatments to minors. Now, this also means that physicians that don't follow the law and violate it could not only lose their license, but also be sued by their patients. Last month, there was a lawsuit that was filed by several firms representing 3 families of transgender minors against the state, asking a judge to stop the new law from going into effect. After Attorney General Andrew Bailey and the families of transgender children spent the week in court fighting over the new law. The judge said that the science and medical evidence is conflicting and that the petitioner did not show exactly what needed to be done in the case, and that's why he denied the request. In an exclusive interview earlier this week, Attorney General Andrew Bailey said he was fighting to protect kids.
We will work to ensure that the laws are faithfully executed. At the end of the day, we're not going to let that crowd sterilize children with mental health conditions. Our General Assembly has set down a policy position in law, and we're going to enforce the law as written.
Now, this new law also prevents those on Medicaid from receiving gender-affirming care, and the state will not pay for surgeries for prisoners. In a statement this afternoon after the ruling, Planned Parenthood said, on Monday, trans and gender-expansive young Missourians will have their rights stripped away unless a higher court intervenes. They are terrified and furious that Missouri politicians are using ideology and junk science to deny them life-saving health care and erase their existence. Now, the ban for puberty blockers and hormone treatments under this law will only last 4 years. But the part that bans surgeries, gender-affirming surgeries, that is permanent. This afternoon, the ACLU, who represents some of the transgender families, tells me in a statement that they are disappointed in the court's ruling. But the case is not over, and it will go to a full trial. Jasmine?
Yeah, I was going to ask Emily, what's next for this court case? Because you have one side that is adamant to fight this decision.
That's right. And because this was only to ask for a preliminary injunction, meaning just a quick pause while the judge finishes going through all the evidence, all the documents, there's actually going to be a status hearing that's set for September 22nd. So next month, both sides will be back in court to discuss how they move forward. But even though this court challenge is still playing out, the judge says that the law will go into effect. He is not putting a pause on it.
And that happens next week. And if you can clarify, again, what happens to the patients who are currently receiving that treatment?
Well, that was actually a big part of the compromise during the long hours of debate here in the Capitol. Democrats fought very hard to be able to get a provision in there that would allow current patients who are already receiving treatment can continue with care once the law goes into effect. It was a compromise. Many Republicans weren't happy with it, but it was the only way to stop the filibuster in the Senate.
All right, a big ruling on gender-affirming health care. Thanks so much, Emily.